What's the meaning of carnation? Carnation. Carnation.
Carnation. Carnation. Carnation is a noun that refers to a type of flower commonly known as a clove pink. The flower has frilly petals that are typically pink, red, or white in color, and a sweet, spicy fragrance. Carnations are often used for decorative purposes, such as in bouquets or as corsages for special occasions like weddings or proms. They are also sometimes given as a symbol of love or admiration. In addition to their aesthetic qualities, carnations have also been used for medicinal purposes in some cultures, due to their antiseptic properties.